Solo on the beat. Solo. Solo on the beat.
All right, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Today in Global Hack Week, Day 6. Hope you all are enjoying the event as much as I am. I know it's pretty late into Global Hack Week, but we're almost done. It's been a lot of fun. We've done a lot of cool things, and yeah. How's it going, Kat? How's it going, Katiyar? I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. How's everything going? Any fun events you've been to in Global Hack Week? Hi, Roger Satsi. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly as well. If not, feel free to drop a pronunciation and I'll be more than happy to fix it. Oh, can you hear 'cause stream is muted? Fair. Hi, Anuya. Hi, Anushka. Yeah, all right, so let's go ahead and begin. So, once again, welcome to Day 6 of the AIMO Global Hack Week. We've done a lot of cool things, and let's go ahead and talk about some of the cool things we did yesterday. So, before we begin, I'm going to talk about myself. Also, hi, Abhinav. I'm so sorry for pronouncing that incorrectly. So, some fun facts about myself is I am a coach at Major League Hacking. I am also a Levis enjoyer, as you might know from the Ryan number 2 or Ryan number 1. I am also the third Ryan from MLH, so I'm Ryan number 3, and I cannot drink water from a cylinder without spilling it. So water bottles are my mortal enemy. So yeah. Last day of Global Hack Week, but we have some cool events to end off the week. So let's just first begin with what happened yesterday. So we explored genetic algorithms with Ryan number 2. It was really, really cool. He was using P5JS, making a genetic algorithm game. Really, really cool, making it lettuce themed. See a cat, no worries. Yeah, so just working on genetic algorithms using P5JS. Honestly, amazing stream. Would highly, highly recommend going to future Ryan number 2 streams as well. But it looks like a lot of fun. Next, we tried out clustering algorithms with Steven. So for those that were on today in Global Hack Week yesterday for day 5, you would have seen Steven talking about and advertising his clustering workshop. Honestly, clustering algorithms are underrated. Really, really cool to learn, especially working with K-means, which he is showing right here. Fantastic algorithm workshop. I genuinely would recommend going to future Steven streams as well. And next, we kicked off the track on reinforcement learning with Alberto. So for those that are unfamiliar with reinforcement learning, it's in the realm of MLAI. Without getting too much into it, it's one of the core fundamentals if you are learning MLAI. So for those that want to get into MLAI, I would highly, highly recommend at least going to a RL stream or looking at the YouTube playlist under the MLH YouTube channel and finding his specific tutorial, because this is like really, really important stuff, and it's really, really cool. Like you can see him just visualizing gradient descent there, so it's a lot of fun. And then Jupiter Shoulders said, I'm sad I missed the lettuce game. I wish the event descriptions had these details. Yeah. You know, sometimes you just gotta YOLO into some of the streams. On the bright side, you can also just go to the MLH YouTube channel and you can find the playlist of all the previous streams as well. If you want to catch Ryan's stream, but he might have another today. We'll see. Or it might just be a mini event with him, but you can definitely ask him during the mini event about it. So would highly recommend. The genetic, just all of that stuff is really, really cool. Lettuce, I concur. All right, and before we get into what's happening today, I want to real quickly just forward everyone back to this link, events.mlhio/events/1155. Oh, shoot, I can't speak really fast right now. 11565. If you want to sign into this event right now and redeem some points. As today is the last day, if you don't have the minimum points to get the swag or the upgraded swag, would highly recommend at least using this link right here so you can get some more. And let's continue. All right, so we have a few events coming up today. Would highly recommend going to these as well. First, we have Reinforcement Learning Part 2 with Alberto. So if you liked seeing the gradient descent image we showed in a previous slide over there, today's Part 2. You still have time. This is happening, I think, in 1 hour. So you could totally You could totally watch on 2x speed his RL stream part 1 on YouTube to catch up before RL part 2. So I highly recommend. Seems like a lot of fun. And Alberto is really, really chill. So yeah, recommend. Next, we have a Gartic Phone mini event with Ryan number 2. So Ryan Lay will be streaming in about, I think, 4 hours from now. So if you want to watch him draw some stuff and watch some other hackers also draw some stuff and try to guess each other's drawings, would highly recommend going to this event. It's always a lot of fun. And then next we have ChatGPT for X in Flask Part 3 with Cecilia. If you don't know, Cecilia has really, really cool interactive streams. Probably like top streamer at MLH. And all the other streamers are also top streamers as well. But Celia, great streamer. She's going to be just working with integrating ChatGPT for X using Flask with a lot of cool use cases. And then you can also bring these to hackathons. So if you want to spice up your projects, get a head start in the season, would highly recommend that. And then we have the Negate Light mini event with Alberto. Also really, really fun event. For those that don't know what Negate Light is, essentially imagine IDE with no syntax highlighting, no help at all, no visualization. It's legit just coding raw HTML and embedding all the CSS and the JS inside of it. So basically trying to have a a model site that you're trying to copy and then coding it without any help at all. So it's kind of just testing your brain for, do you know all the fundamentals? How much can you just like do without looking up? It's a really cool brain exercise, and I would recommend it. And Jupiter Shoulder says it sounds scary, and TBH, it is a little bit scary, but the fun of it is that you learn really, really fast from it. It's one of my favorite games that is a game, but also teaches you to memorize all the fundamentals really, really fast. So even if you don't know too much, that's a-okay. It's a great learning experience, and I would highly recommend going. And when you have a lot of people competing, competing for the bragging rights, it's a lot of fun to see what people can do. And then, what did y'all use to make those avatars? So if you're talking about the MLH avatars that we have, these are commissioned by an artist at MLH, or that MLH uses. So if you want more information about that, I'd highly recommend asking in the Discord, because I don't know too much about it. But yeah, good question. And lastly, we have the closing ceremony. So for those that just want to view everything that we've done, have more information about the next Global Hack Weeks, would highly recommend going to the closing ceremony. It's the last stream of this Global Hack Week, so it's a really fun event to attend. And it's just a good way to know about what's happening next. So if you want to finalize your points, get all that swag, go to the stream, check it out, and it should be a lot of fun. But besides that, that should be everything we have for today. Does anybody have any questions? Yes, it is the last stream, unfortunately. Does anybody have any favorite moments from this week? Any cool streams they attended? Any cool things they learned? Romaine or Iceberg? I'm a Romaine type of guy. Actually, Iceberg is kind of poggers as well. Not gonna lie. Iceberg is really, really cool. It goes well on sandwiches. But Romaine is like more iconic in terms of emojis. Abhinav said lettuce. I agree. Anushka said based. Jade Zillas said no questions here. Thanks for everything, Ryan. No problem. Jupiter's Shoulder said everything was pretty cool, but my favorite was learning about VS Code pets. Oh my gosh, which streamer showed you VS Code pets? Those are so much fun to have. It's up there with my favorite extensions, including the what else is it called? Subway Surfers. The Subway Surfers extension. Yes, Cecilia. Yeah, Cecilia knows all the cool deets on things. That's really funny. Yeah. Any other questions? If not, that will be the end of today in Global Hack Week Day 6. Once again, today is the last day to earn points if you're still wanting to get the swag. There's about 5 or 6 events today to check out. And there's also the closing ceremony. So if you want to get the swag, that's actually enough if you start today to get the swag, I think. Will we get the swags if we do none of the challenges? I'm not entirely sure. That's a good question. I think you actually have to do one of the challenges, but I think there's more information on the ghw.mlh.io website. Sorry I can't answer that question. But yeah. All right, anywho, thank you all for attending today in Global Hack Week Day 6. It's been a lot of fun here at the AIML Week, and I hope you all enjoy it. Peace.